How to fix RC FPV signal interference. If you have been experiencing issues with your first-person view signal while flying your remote control toys, you are not alone. Signal interference can be frustrating, but there are effective ways to address it. Let's discuss how to tackle this problem step by step. First, check and optimize your frequency channels. Most FPV systems operate on the 5.8 GHz band, which has multiple channels. Interference often occurs when multiple devices are using overlapping channels. Use an FPV frequency chart to find a channel with minimal overlap from other pilots or devices nearby. If you can, coordinate with others flying in the same area to avoid conflicts. Next, maintain proper distance between devices. Interference is stronger when the interfering device is closer to your receiver than your FPV transmitter. Keep your video transmitter and receiver antennas well separated from other transmitting devices, including your remote control transmitter. Also, avoid flying too far away, as a weak signal can become more susceptible to interference. Using quality antennas is another important step. High-quality antennas with good gain and correct polarization can significantly reduce interference. Make sure the antennas on both the transmitter and receiver are securely connected and positioned properly to maximize signal strength. Avoid placing antennas near metal parts or electronics that can block or reflected signals. Power supply filtering is also essential. Electrical noise from your drone's power system can lead to video interference. Power your FPV camera and video transmitter from a stable, regulated source, like a battery eliminator circuit on the flight controller. Adding capacitors on the electronic speed controller, power pads, can help filter voltage spikes and reduce noise. Another tip is to twist your signal and ground wires together. This simple technique creates a natural shield against electromagnetic interference, helping to clean up your video feed. If interference persists, consider reducing your transmitter output power. Sometimes, a device transmitting at a higher power nearby can overpower your FPV signal. Adjusting your video transmitter output power to a suitable level can improve overall signal quality. Also, keep your FPV system away from other electronics that emit radio frequency noise. Devices like Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, or even your remote control transmitter's antenna can interfere with your FPV receiver if they are too close. Lastly, perform pre-flight checks. Before you fly, power on your FPV system and observe the video feed. If you notice interference or if it worsens when you throttle up, it may indicate power-related noise or a poor connection. By following these steps, optimizing frequencies, improving antenna setup, filtering power supply noise, and managing device placement, you can significantly reduce FPV signal interference. Enjoy clearer and more reliable video transmission for your remote control toys.